Hindi.
Tululuha.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Ano?
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. Well, hello, little baby. Your eyes have never seen the sun. You should know, little baby, that I am the lucky one.
Hi, Yongju. Ako nga pala si Ninong Rap. By the way, I want to greet you a happy 7th birthday. Ang wish ko lang, maging mabuting bata and study hard, maging mabait sa mga magulang, and hope to see you soon in the Philippines. Dami ng utang sa inyo, Ninong. Again, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Hello, mabuhay! Hi, Maring Sheila. And of course, hi to my inaanak, Yongju. I would like to greet you happy birthday. And please enjoy the rest of your celebration. I am your Ninang Kim, all the way from the Philippines. And please, laging susunod sa magulang and mag-aral mabuti. Be a good boy always. And once again, happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi be, happy 7th birthday. 7 years old ka na pero hindi mo pa rin ako na-meet. Hindi pa rin tayo nagkakakilala personally. Pero always remember na meron kang Ninang Joy dito sa Philippines na extended ang pagmamahal sa iyo at sa mama mo. Mag-aral ka mabuti and see you soon. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Korea. Hello, paring Dex, Maring She, and sa inaanak kong si Drexel, happy 7th birthday. Laging mag-iingat with your mama and papa, and laging magpakabait lang. Yun lang. This is Nanong Joyce from Qatar. Bye-bye.
Hi, Yongju. Happy birthday. Ang wish ni Ninong, sana marami pang dumating na birthday sa'yo. At sana maging malusog kang bata. At syempre, paglaki mo, sana maging mabait ka. Laging huwag magpapasaway sa mga magulang. Yun lang, Yongju. Happy birthday.
Game.
Kamusta na kayo dyan? Pare, kamusta na kayo dyan? Eto, natutut pa rin. Habang buhay nata. Happy birthday, Yongju. Happy birthday, lagi magbabait. Ha? Kamusta sa lahat dyan? Happy birthday. Ayan na.
Happy 7th birthday, Drexel. Tuloy mo lang yung pagiging sweet mo sa mommy mo. And sana mabisita kita dyan sa Korea. Happy birthday din, Ate Shella.
Hi, Yongju! Happy birthday! God bless you! I'm your Ninang from San Antonio, USA. God bless you! Annyeonghaseyo! Kamsahamnida! Bye! God bless you! Bye-bye! Mga mommy, share at ibiyang ingat kayo dyan sa asawa mo at sa family niyo. God bless you all!
Happy birthday, Yongju! From Ninong Aldrin, sana lumaki kang mabuti at masunurin sa iyong mommy at daddy. At mag-aral na mabuti. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Annyeonghaseyo, Yeongju. Happy 7th birthday and many more birthdays to come.
Sengil 축하해요, Drexel. More birthdays to come. Maging mabuting bata. Sumunod kay Oma at Opa. Ninang loves you. Saranghayo.
Hi, Drexel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. At sana lumaki kang mabait. Tulad ni Mama. Uy. At sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Good health para sa'yo, baby. At sana soon makauwi ulit kayong pamilya. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you.
Hi Drexel, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, nak! Love na love ka ni Ninang. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Love mo lagi si mommy and si daddy. Love from Canada. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Drexel! Ayan, enjoy mo lang tong araw na to. And lagi ka magpapakabait kay Pare Koy, kay Mari Koy. And lagi mag-iingat kasama si Mama Silvia. Happy birthday!
Happy 7th birthday, Drexel. Wish ko sa'yo maging mabait kang bata. Magalang at pagbigay kagaya ni mami at daddy mo.
Happy birthday, Drexel. We love you. Sana maging mabuti kang anak. Sana mahalin mo si daddy at mami. We love you.
Hello, Yeongju. Happy birthday, inaanak kong si Yeongju. Ayan, may you be blessed with all the best in this world. Laging tatandaan, nandito si Ninong, nagmamahal. Ayan, at God bless you. Happy birthday, Yeongju. Enjoy your day.
Ay, birthday nga pala ng mahal kong pamangkin no, si Drexel. Korean, ay, English, okay. Magkakarawak sa'yo. Nandito lang ako yung ino mo. Happy birthday to you, and beloved anak, Drexel. I love you. Bibigyan ka ng, I will give you Robux as a birthday gift. Aji mo no.
Well, hello, little baby.
Pasok na yan.
Your eyes
Yun.
have never seen the sun. You should know, little baby, that I am the lucky one. Well, hello, little baby. Your eyes have never seen the sun. You should know.
Kuya, Drexel, happy 7th birthday. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Big boy ka na. Sumunod palagi sa magulang. Lumaki na may takot sa Diyos. Love ka namin.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Sana maging mabait kang bata at magaling magalang sa magulang. Yun lang. Kiss mo.
Kiss mo. Flying kiss.
Flying kiss mo.
Flying kiss.
Hi Drexel, this is Tita Chi. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you good health and be surrounded by your loved ones and cherish every moment. Love you. What?
Happy birthday, Drexel. Stay happy and continue to be a blessing to your parents.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Wish you all the best. Miss you, love you, and yun lang.
Happy 7th birthday, Drexel. We love you and I miss you.
Hello, Drexel. This is your Tita Ganda. Happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. 사랑합니다. 생일 축하합니다.
birthday, yung Jo.
birthday yung Jo.
Happy birthday, yung Jo. Sabi mo. O, siya na isa naman. Happy birthday, yung Jo.
Happy birthday! Yung Jo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kuya Yongju! Yay! God bless you!
Bye-bye!
Ingat lagi! Take care!
Hello, Yongju! This is your Papalo of Saudi Arabia, Fernando Banonong Vlog 09. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Sana maging mabuti kang bata hanggang sa lumaki ka. Ingat at God bless to all of you. Regards sa inyo dyan sa South Korea. And once again, I would like to greet you Singhil Chuka Hamnida. Bye-bye.
Well, hello, little baby. Your eyes have never seen the sun. You should know, little baby, that I am the lucky one. Well, hello, little baby. Your eyes have never seen the sun. You should know, little baby, that I am the lucky one. Well, hello, little baby.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself
Para sa
some friends
pansit
or
canton.
you'll be lonely.
Sasayaw lang.
Once I was 7 years
Tukparo! Oo. Tukparo!
It was a big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. Only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.